Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 11, subject political science, topic scope of political science. Scope of political science. The scope of political science can be discussed or as under. The scope of political science can be discussed as under. Number first, study of state. यानी स्कोप ऑफ पोलिटिकल साइंस में फर्स्ट आता है स्टडी ऑफ स्टेट. Politics is the science of state. Politics is the science of state. The main object of politics the main object of politics and sphere of its activity is the state. According to Gillette, political science is the historical investigation of what the state has been, what the state is, and what the state should be. Study of government. Number second इसमें आता है study of government. Political science is incomplete with studying government. And government is essential element of the state. How government is formed, what are its various forms, what are the various organs of the government, and what are their relations to one another. And political science studies all these things. Number two, study of man. Without human beings, there can be no state. In politics, we study not only the political aspect of man, but also include social, economic, moral, and psychological aspects. In other words, in politics, we study man as a whole. Study of international relation. Number four, study of international relation and organization. Modern age is the age of international relations. Nowadays, states are dependent upon each other, and they are having relations with each other, and to determine their relations, the importance of international organization have also come into being. All these subjects are included in the scope of political science. Number fifth, study of power and authority. Max Weber, Marin, Loswell, Kalpan, Dahl, and Morgenthau, and others consider power as a centered point in politics. In political science, we study the methods of achieving power and authority. The running of governments and the making of common policies are included in the scope of political science. Study of political system. David Eston, Elmond, and Powell, and other scholars term the political sphere connected with human life. In political science, we not only study the state and government, but the political process, political activities, political behaviors, and others which influence the policies of a country. From discussion above, it becomes quite clear that scope of political science has become very much vast as it is. स्कोप ऑफ पोलिटिकल साइंस में आता है नंबर फर्स्ट स्टडी ऑफ स्टेट. यानी पोलिटिकल साइंस में हमें स्टेट के मुतलिक सब कुछ पढ़ना होता है. यानी पोलिटिकल साइंस में पहला आता है स्कोप ऑफ पोलिटिकल साइंस में पहले हमें ये आता है कि स्टडी ऑफ स्टेट. Politics is the study of state. The main object of politics and sphere of its activities is the state. According to Gillette, political science is the historical investigation of what the state has been, what the state is, and what the state should be. Number second इसमें आता है study of government. Number third इसमें आता है study of man. Number fourth इसमें आता है study of international relations or organization. Number fifth आता है इसमें study of power and authority. Number sixth आता है study of political system. Thanks. Have a nice day.